be thankful. This song is called In Everything, Give Him Thanks. In the good times, praise His name. In the bad times, do the same. In everything, give the King of Kings all the thanks.
When all the good things that had come his way, it's no wonder you could hear Job say, all that are given and he taken away, I give him thanks. But when the tables were all turned around and Job's world came crashing down, his faith in God has caused to change. I still give him thanks. When troubles come and there's no one around, Satan's trying to tell me God's let me down. But through every dark hour, the best thing I found is to give my God